Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Well, today we are going to do the revision of the grammar part of your English 2 book, lesson number 1, The Little Folks Present. So, students, on page number 14, you have grammar part and it is about sentence. The topic is sentence. So, today we will discuss about sentence. Now, students, what is a sentence? Everything you read has a sentence, right? Because whatever we write, whatever we say, it all is a sentence. But how do we make a sentence? How is it formed? A sentence is formed from the letters of the alphabet, right? It has a group of words. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words, correct? But if we join few words and we arrange it in a jumbled way, will it make a sentence? No, it will not make a sentence, because we have to arrange those words in a proper way so that it gives us some meaning, correct? If I say I am going to Delhi, then you understood the meaning what I want to say. I am going to Delhi. It is a simple sentence. And you understood what I mean to say, that I am going to Delhi. But if I change the sequence of the words, for example, if I make it like Delhi going to am I, will it give you any meaning? No, this sentence will not give you any meaning, right? This is not giving any sense. It does not make any sense. So it is important that we have to arrange the group of words in a way so that it gives us some meaning, and it is called sentence. So when we arrange few words in a proper way so that it gives us complete sense, it is called a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop, question mark, exclamation mark, depends on the type of sentence. So students, a sentence will always begin with a capital letter and it ends with full stop, sometimes with a question mark, sometimes with an exclamatory mark. So it depends on the type of sentence. Now, there are 4 types of sentences. How many? 4 types. There are 4 types of sentences. Number 1, declarative sentence. Number 2, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. And number 4, exclamatory sentence. Now, what is declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is in the form of a statement, unlike a question, command, or an exclamation. In a declarative sentence, the subject usually comes before the verb. It always ends with a full stop. It means a declarative sentence is a simple statement. Whatever we speak, it is a simple statement. It is an emotion or it is a information which we give. So in a declarative sentence, any information or an idea could be given. For example, I want to go to Shimla. So, this is a simple statement. I want to go to Shimla. Correct? Have I asked you anything in this question? I haven't asked you any question, right? This is my it is my opinion that I want to go to Shimla. I'm giving you an information, correct? I want to go to Shimla. So it is a simple statement. If I say she is a good girl, I am giving you an information about that girl, that she is a good girl. It's a simple statement. It will start with a capital letter, it will end with a full stop. So these types of sentences are called declarative sentence. It will always begin with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. So simple sentences where we just give some information or express some emotion, that type of sentences are called declarative sentences. For example, the police caught a thief. So in this sentence, what is the subject? There is a subject and a predicate in each sentence. What is subject? Subject is what we are talking about in that sentence. जिसके बारे में हम बात करते हैं वो होता है subject, और क्या बात करते हैं वो होता है predicate. So इस sentence में police के बारे में we are talking about police. The police caught a thief. That पुलिस ने चोर को पकड़ लिया. So we are talking about police. तो पुलिस क्या है? Subject है. And it comes before the verb caught. Action क्या हुआ इसमें? Caught. So it's coming before verb. So in a declarative sentence, subject comes before the verb and it gives us a simple information or an idea. Understood? It will always end with a full stop. Now what is interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentences are the sentences in which we ask question. If we are asking to question somebody, if there is a question in a sentence, then that type of sentence is interrogative sentence. It is very easy. Question वाले sentences को हम interrogative sentence कहते हैं. It begins with a capital letter and it ends with a question mark. These sentences will always end with a question mark. So you will be able to identify these types of sentences easily. Whenever you see a question mark in a sentence, it is an interrogative sentence. Now what is imperative sentence? Imperative sentences are the sentences in which we give command, request, or we just advise someone. For example, if we are asking somebody to get out of the class, this is an example of a imperative sentence. If I am saying that get out of the class, this is a order. I am giving you an order. This is my command. Order is what? Order is command. So if I am saying get out of the class, this is my command. These types of sentences are called imperative sentence. It could be a request as well. If I say, please give me your pencil, then I am requesting you. So if there is a request or a command in a sentence, that type of sentences are called imperative sentence, and it may end with a full stop or an exclamation mark, both. For examples are given here. Give me a chair. So there's an exclamation mark in the end. Please make your bed. This is the request. So it ends with a full stop and exclamation mark, both. Now what is exclamatory sentence? An exclamatory sentence that expresses a strong feeling is called an exclamatory sentence. It ends with an exclamation mark. So as this word said, exclamatory means exclamation. So if there is a strong feeling, then that type of sentences are called exclamatory sentences, and it will always end with an exclamation mark. So students, these are the 4 types of sentences. We have already done the exercises of this chapter. So you will get a worksheet as a homework. I will be sending it to you. You have to do it on your own. You have to identify the types of sentences and the jumble word as well. So please do it on time. Take care. Bye-bye.